Hi friends, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how you can create a verified buyer review blog in your Shopify checkout page. So you might have seen some verified buyer reviews like this uses many Shopify checkout pages. So we can see how we can configure similar blogs in your Shopify or in our Shopify checkout page very easily. So let's get started. Before going to the video, please make sure that you are subscribed to our channel for more Shopify tips. For setting this up, I'm using Checkout extension Ninja app. I have downloaded this from my Shopify store. If you need, I will be attaching the link to this app in the description box. You can just check it out and follow along with me. Otherwise, you can just download this in Shopify app store, and this is easily available there. And after installing this, open the app from the Shopify admin panel and go to the template section. Now you can click on view all template and search for the verified buyer review. You can see that the last option is the uh, default this review block. You can just click on use templates. And now you need not to add any details further because all the details will be like filled by default. So block name as showing as review block. You can just edit this if you want, and if you have any conditional visibility, you can just enable this button and add the visibility conditions over here. There are multiple choices here. You can just add this from this list, and what happens then is the block will be available at the checkout whenever this given condition is met. Otherwise, you can just disable this. Then the block will be available always at the checkout page. Now you can just click on testimonial. Now the title part has been done for you, content the everything has been done for you, and if you want to change it, this you can just easily change or add your text over here like this. So it's absolutely easy, like you can just edit or keep it same. And author name, you can just add the author of the reviewer and the image URL. If you have any image of the product, you can add here. And star rating, you can just go for the dynamic or a static one. If it is a dynamic one, you can just give the number of stars. If it is a static one, you can just go with the star image URL. And the review date, you have to enter in a date month year format. Okay, so the setup is very simple and it's done for you. So let's click on done, and before saving, let's see whether the status is active or not, and then make it as a save. And now we'll be getting some block ID from here. So you can just copy this block ID and click on open checkout editor page. Now you have to add the custom block to the checkout like this, and you have to paste the block ID which we have copied earlier to this field. Now you can see that the blog has been created here very successfully, and let's move this blog to our order summary page, which is more suitable for this to be placed. So yeah, in this area I will show you. Yeah, so we have moved or replaced the blog to this, and now let's save it. Let's test this up in our online store whether it comes or whether it shows in our checkout page. Let's see. Yeah, you can see that the customer review blog or verified review blog has been created here very successfully. And while you are waiting for, then just grab the link from the description box and try this out in your online shop. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and also please do like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.